Hello, welcome back to my magical world of maths. Today we are going to learn a beautiful way of multiplication by using a Vedic mathematics sutra called Antyodashakepi. So, how to multiply this given numbers by using this sutra in seconds. Let us see that how to multiply and how to use the sutra. Okay, see the first one. 37 multiplied by 33. If we multiply in the conventional method, we are going to get two steps here. See in one step how we can do this. Here we have two conditions to multiplication to do the multiplication here. What are the conditions? See, units place numbers added up to 10. Antyor dasha kepi. Antya means end. Dasha means 10. Means the number which is at the antya means at the end, means in the units place must be equal to 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So units place number should be 10 and the other number should be same. See here it is 7 and 3, that makes 10. And here you see in the tens place 3 and 3. If you see all the sums, you can see the same pattern. 6 and 6, 4 and 4, 5 and 5 in the units place. To use the Antyodashakepi, the Vedic mathematics sutra, the sum of the units place must be 10 and other numbers must be equal. Means same number should be there. Okay. How to multiply in seconds all this you see now. Just multiply these two numbers. 7 into 3. 7 3 is a 21. Write 21 as it is. And then see 3 and 3. Same numbers are there. Here we are going to use one more Vedic mathematics sutra. Is called Ek Adikena Purvena. Eka Adika. Eka means one. Adika means more. Purvena, previous. So one more than the previous. Same numbers are there. What we should do? This should be multiplied by the next number. By 4. 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. So answer is 1221. Like this we can do this. Let us see the next one now. Okay. See the second one. 68 multiplied by 62. First we have to check these conditions for the sutra is applicable or not. See, 8 is it, 2 is it, 8 plus 2 is 10. So, sum of the units place is 10. Other numbers are same. So that we can use the sutra, right? See, these two makes 10. These two are same. So that we can use. 8 into 2 is 16. 8 2s are 16. 6 must be multiplied by the next number. That means by the 7. So, 7 6 are 42. So, 4216 is answer. It's not so very easy. See the next one. How beautiful this is, right? But here you see, same conditions apply. That first we have to see that is applicable. Now, multiply 9 into 1. If you multiply 9 into 1, you'll get a single digit number. But you cannot write the single digit number. You should write 2-digit number. How to write 2-digit number if you get a single digit answer? Prefix with 0. Okay? Prefix with 0. So, 9 means you should write it as 0, 9. Okay? 5 and 5 same. Multiplied with the next number. Ek adikena purvena. So, it will be 5 6 are 30. Answer is 3009. That is the answer. And one more use. So what is this number? 46. 44 multiplied by 46. The condition is applied. And it is applicable here. Right? Now 6 4s are 24. Multiply this with the next number. That will be 20. Answer is 2024. So, see, in the same way, very easily we can do it. I'll give you some of the questions as homework for you. Okay? Do it. Work out by using the same what we are using the sutra, Antyodashakepi, and find out these sums. So, what are the sums? 66 into 64. Okay? 66 multiplied by 64. Okay. And the second one. Second one, I'm going to give you 53 into 57. 53 into 57. Okay. Do these two. Do these two sums by using the same sutra and write the answer in the comment box. So, this is how to multiply the number of 2 digit by using Antyodashakepi, the Vedic Mathematics Sutra. In the next video, you can see the multiplication of 3 digit numbers, 3 digit into 3 digit by using the same sutra. How to do that? That we'll see in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.